There's definitely a pollution issue.
John Poole has lived in the Larchmont neighborhood for more than 5 decades. His neighborhood often experiences tidal flooding, especially after events like Hurricane Erin. He tells me he's concerned about pollution clouding bodies of water after big flooding events.
So it's not just tidal flooding, it's also the big rains that we've been having recently.
Whether the water's coming down from the sky or it's backing up through our storm drains coming up onto our city streets, the result is the same. Our sunny day flooding issues, cause just as much problem as when it's rain falling from the sky.
Victoria Dunch from the Elizabeth River Project tells me the biggest threat to the Elizabeth River is polluted runoff water, and she says it's getting a lot of that this week following Hurricane Erin.
So when we have flooding that comes out onto the streets and it touches people's lawns, it goes into dog parks, it knocks over people's trash cans and floods all the streets. When those floodwaters recede, they pull everything that they came into contact back with them into the river.
Neighbors like Poole encourage others to be mindful of what can end up in our bodies of water.
Picking up your dog poop and picking up any kind of trash and plastics that are especially on the waterfront.
What are just some everyday examples that neighbors can do to help prevent this in future flooding events?
So removing these less permeable materials and putting more permeable materials like absorbent soils, native plants.
Those materials can help absorb contaminated water naturally before it can get back into the Elizabeth River. In Norfolk, I'm Erin, WTKR News 3.